Hello. Are you ready? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What? Uh-oh. Are you ready, V? Okay, high five. High five, high five. Yay! Say hello, teacher. Hello. Okay, say hello, teacher. Are you ready? Okay, let's start, my dear. What are these? Bubbles. Say bubbles. Water. Toys. Okay, let's wipe first your face. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, now what is this? What are these toys? Okay, where is the water? Water. Water. How the bubbles? Bubbles, we. Bubbles. And these are your toys. Toys. Okay, next. Let's have your body parts. Head. Head. I look at the teacher. I can move my head. I can move my hand. Arm. Hand. Leg and foot. Okay, now where is the head? Where's the head? Head. Head. Up. Head. Foot. Okay, where's the head? Head. Ngek. Okay, where's the arm? Arm. I can move my arm. Okay, now let's have your transportation. What is this car? Vroom, vroom, car. Vroom, vroom, car. Brum, brum, truck. Brum, brum, truck. Beep, beep, bus. Beep, beep, bus. Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, train. Whoosh, whoosh, airplane. Whoosh, whoosh, airplane. Okay, where's the airplane here? This is the airplane. Car. Okay, that's the end. High five, my dear. Bye bye. Yeah, goodbye.